Hey everyone, Ryan here. This video will be a tutorial on how to earn money by using AI Detector Pro. It is a powerful tool designed to help researchers and content creators detect AI-generated content and convert it into human-like text. You will find this tool to be particularly valuable if you are looking to reduce plagiarism in your research articles or any written work. So, as writing tools like ChatGPT become more prevalent, many plagiarism checking tools are now incorporating AI detectors. And this has created a new challenge for researchers and writers who may use AI tools to assist in their work. AI Detector Pro addresses this issue by not only identifying AI-generated content, but also providing a solution to humanize it, making it more original and less likely to be flagged by plagiarism detectors. So to access the tool, we will need to log into AI Detector Pro using your email ID. The registration process is straightforward and only takes a few moments. Feel free to use the link in our description box down below to access it. Once logged in, you will see a dashboard with various options. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy even for first-timers to navigate it. Next up, you want to click on Reports option in the dashboard if you want to submit content for analysis. And here you can enter the text that you want to check. You have the option to paste the text directly into the text box provided. This is useful if you have shorter pieces that you want to analyze. Alternatively, you can input a URL if the content is available online. So if you are checking web pages or online articles, then you might want to use this option. After entering your text, click the Analyze button. The tool will take a few seconds to process your content. And during this time, AI Detector Pro's algorithm will be comparing your text against known patterns of AI-generated content. Once the analysis is complete, you will see a comprehensive report. If the content was likely written by an AI, the tool will highlight this and point out specific paragraphs that show clear signs of AI authorship. The report is color-coded for easy interpretation, with AI-detected sections clearly marked, and this visual representation will make it easy to identify which parts of your text would need attention or changing. Next up, we need to humanize the content, and here is where AI Detector Pro really shines. So click on Open with AI Eraser, as this feature will allow you to convert AI-detected content into more human-like text. The AI Eraser is what sets this tool apart from simple AI detectors. It provides an actionable solution to the problem that it identifies. So in the AI Eraser, you will see three options for each paragraph: rescan, copy, and suggest. The rescan option allows you to recheck a specific paragraph if you've made manual changes yourself. The copy simply copies the existing text, and the suggest option is particularly useful and innovative. When you click on it, the tool will provide different rewritten versions of the paragraph. These suggestions are generated using advanced language models that aim to preserve the meaning of the original text while making it sound more human. So you can select the version that you prefer and copy it to your document. This process allows for a degree of human intervention and decision making. You're not just blindly accepting AI-generated alternatives, but you're choosing the one that best fits your voice and style. So repeat this process for each one of the paragraphs or sections that were flagged as AI-generated. And then after making these changes, you can run the content through the AI detector again. The second pass is crucial to ensure that your revised content now reads as human written. You'll likely find that a humanized version now passes as human written content with a significantly lower AI detection probability. It's important to keep in mind that while this tool is incredibly useful, it should be used responsibly. The goal is to refine and personalize content that may have been initially drafted with AI assistance. Basically, a way to use AI as a collaborative tool rather than a replacement for human creativity or expertise. Next up, I'm going to cover the pricing of AI Detector Pro. The tool does offer a free tier that allows you to generate up to 3 reports. So 3 AI scans per month with 0 humanizations. However, if you go with the monthly plan and you use a code for 50% off, you'll be charged about $14 per month. Keep in mind that the coupons continue month to month. So if you use a coupon and buy at 50% off, they will always charge you that 50% off price as long as you stay subscribed. AI Detector Pro does dual detection and writing, and it has been updated to the latest GPT version, the ChatGPT 4.0. The basic plan gives you up to 103 scans per month with unlimited humanizations on your texts. And if you would be using this tool even further and need unlimited scans, then you can go with the unlimited offer for $24.99 per month. Another important thing to mention is that if you're on the basic plan and if you end up having unused reports, then those reports would be rolled over to the next month. So you're not losing out on any scans if you don't use them fully. And finally, the tool is expanding to languages of Spanish and German, with Portuguese coming in soon this year. So these pricing options make AI Detector Pro accessible for individual researchers and larger teams alike. The scalability of the pricing model means that users can choose a plan that fits your specific needs and budgets. As AI continues to evolve and take a big part of our lives, tools like AI Detector Pro will likely become even more sophisticated and essential. Staying informed about these developments and learning how to use them effectively will give you a significant advantage in your work. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know what you think of it in the comment section down below, or whether you have any other questions. And if you found today's video to be helpful and informative to watch, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And definitely don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.